Welcome to Literacy Classroom 6, a Silent-E Syllable Template. This template has a new feature. Use this title page to label each lesson procedure in your whiteboard slides. Color code your tiles before you begin making lessons. Also, replace the blank charts below with completed charts. Instructions for completing the charts are on the following slides. Complete these charts, screen snip, save, and place on procedure slides before building lessons. Use these illustrations to create your own review activities. Welcome to the Koala Go Playground. Follow me for a tour. Fill in the spelling rule and definition that goes with each illustration. Color code letter tiles and import completed spelling rule pages before copying this activity to build lessons. Build words on tiles along ice walls for new instruction. This is the second and last letter tile board that needs to be set up in the playground. The wall railings make a great place to build words on tiles. A portal to the top of the world is in the base of the lower rocket ship. Click the X to return to the whiteboard slides.